Alright, let's see if we can put this cool filament onto the printer. Remember that, huh? Remember that. We tried something new. Let's turn it on. Sounded scary. Whereas Waldo is going to... Should have brought my spectacles. Do I have spectacles anywhere? Spectacles? Gotta have spectacles somewhere. Spectacles. Where's Waldo's spectacles? There. They're the wrong spectacles, and I don't have my stick, my walking stick. Alright, let's heat this up real quick. And for PLA, so heat up for PLA, and we should be able to do a tool change filament. There we go. It says it's change filament. There's a load here and an unload button there. We should probably press the unload button. But it hasn't reached the temperature yet, so maybe it won't let me do it yet. We'll cut to the next one, right? We'll cut to the next one. Hopefully. Or should we? Should we cut to the next one? I don't know. Nothing much is happening in this video. I would do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight, do, 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 do. But then I would scare everybody off, wouldn't I? Heat completed, please confirm. Ah, it confirmed something. Whatever it was. I don't know. Is the filament being pulled out? It feels like it's being pulled out there. Good, good. Something that actually works for once. We can remove this awesome filament here with some care, some level of care. What level of care do we want to use today? Shall it be hot or medium spicy? Should we go all the way to super spicy? Didn't come all the way out though, did it? Did it? No, no. They want to make it hard for you. No, actually it came out pretty well. Quite easily, in fact. And I don't want this to completely untangle itself, because we want to be able to use this again someday soon actually, because there's more stuff that needs to be printed with this fantastic PLA here. Courtesy of Stevie Wonder. Don't say the name. Please subscribe, and 1,000 subscribers, we're going to change his name to something he likes, because he deserves it. He's a good guy. It says unload filament completed, so then it says confirm. Yeah, I'll confirm that. So now we want to load the filament. Please load filament. But of course, before you load the filament, you want to make sure that if this thing here is, oh my gosh, it's awful. It just broke on me like that. But maybe it was supposed to. Right, let's see. It's not going in. Not going in. Come on now. It's kind of in. I don't know. If I press the button, does anything cool happen? No. It's definitely not going in. It says that it's a failure. Failure. there, you. It tells me that it's... Please wait. I will wait patiently, but it's not going in. Come on, now. Oh boy. That's not good, whatever that was. Something broke. Came out the wrong way. Get in there. We'll have to continue in the next video. This is the struggle of 3D printing. Don't say I didn't warn you.